It's such a shame that there is no owner for that milk.
Bro, people really thinking that these are real living things? Nah, this generation is cooked at this point, bro.
Are you serious, my brother?
Girl be calling us this shit when she probably looks something like this in real life. Bro be calling us a cornball when their OC or what the fuck whatever this is looks something like that. Like bro looking like a goddamn Koopa. I am scared to know what the fuck this shit gonna be, gang.